So, out here puttering around with the 944 V8 again. And if you look at my main workbench over here, you will notice that there aren't much in the way of any parts left. The engine conversion is actually done. There were parts laying all over the place here. Good feeling to have all the stuff on the car rather than sitting on the bench. There's a couple of parts in here that have to do with the front suspension, which will be one of the next things we got to do. Front suspension and exhaust system. So they'll go on the car. It shouldn't be any problem. This is the relay that did activate the fan, but since we had a problem with that in radiator temperature sender unit, and they are a little problematic on these cars to begin with, I decided, since our atomic LS system actually will control a fan, it'll control two fans actually, you can set different temperatures, I decided I would just run the wire to that. It runs over to the power module over there and provides the ground to the fan. So what I did was I found the original hot wire that went to the original fan, connected that to the harness that came with the radiator into the fan, and I actually kept the 30 amp fuse in line there too. That's right here. Actually, that might even be a circuit breaker. That'd be nice. And so that's the plus 12 volt side. The other side runs over to the power module and provides the ground to the fan. I think I have it set for 140 right now. So yeah, I was going to start working on the suspension today, but it's hot, and you can probably tell by looking at the concrete floor, it's way humid. It's like tropical humidity, 70 degree or so dew points. So I got the axles put on this morning, and I put the shifter boot on. Actually, I put the shifter boot all together, made sure all that worked right before I got dirty putting the axles on and greasing them up and everything. So pretty much the back of the car, other than bleeding the brakes and doing the toe and camber in the back is done. Engine conversion done. Cooling system's kinda done. Ooh, wow, I guess we're gonna get a thunderstorm. That's thunder. But yeah, we got this leak we got to fix, and this here radiator hose is not going to cut it, so let's see if we can find something else to adapt on there to make that work better. It's on the list of things to fix. Also got an oil leak in the somewhere in this adapter for the remote fuel filter, so we'll have to fix that too. Well, before it gets rainy, I'm going to fire this thing up and let it warm up and make sure the fan works this time. Okay, that's it. Just a quick note, I did change a couple of the settings on the Atomic LS. They didn't have the injectors listed in there that I have in this engine. And they're E85, so they're a lot larger flow rate than a normal gas engine. They're 42 pounds per hour. So I just selected one that was E85 compatible, and wow, it seems to run a lot better now. Sound that good before. I set the fan to come on at 120. Fortunately, it says 124, 125, so running and I just can't hear it. No, it's not running. Make sure it's hooked. Fan 1. Well, I think I hooked it to fan 1. Maybe I didn't. Okay, more troubleshooting. Does sound neat.